Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a simple but seriously powerful feature in Google Chrome, the split screen mode. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use Chrome's built-in split screen, so you can multitask more efficiently, compare websites side by side, or just make better use of your screen space. Whether you're working, studying, or just like to keep an eye on multiple tabs at once, this is a feature you'll want to use every day. So let's dive right in. Alright, open up your Google Chrome browser. First, move your attention up to the very top right corner of the window, right where you usually see those familiar icons: minimize, maximize, and close. This is the control center for your Chrome window. Now, specifically, what you want to do is hover your mouse pointer over the minimize or maximize icon. Don't click just yet, just place your cursor over the icon and hold it there for a moment. Here, why this is important. In recent versions of Chrome, when you hover over that maximize button, something new appears. Instead of instantly maximizing or restoring your window, Chrome actually brings up a little pop-up menu with different layout options. This is where the magic of split screen comes in. You'll see several choices like snapping the window to the left or right of your screen. Chrome makes it super visual and easy. You'll actually see preview boxes to guide you. Now go ahead and click on one of those split screen options. For example, you could choose to split the window to the left or to the right. The moment you click, Chrome automatically resizes your browser window to fill just one half of your screen. It's almost like having two monitors, but on one display. On the other half, you can now open another Chrome window or any other application you want. This is fantastic if you're, say, researching something on one side and taking notes on the other, or maybe watching a video while reading an article. You're in full control over your workspace, and it all starts with that little icon at the top. It might feel a little unfamiliar at first. Maybe you're used to dragging your windows around and resizing them manually, pixel by pixel. But with this Chrome split screen feature, you save a ton of time and your windows snap perfectly every time. No more fiddling around trying to get them lined up just right. If for some reason you don't see this feature, make sure your Chrome browser is updated to the latest version. Sometimes, features like this roll out in updates, so keeping your browser fresh ensures you get all the best tools. And if you want to return to a regular full window mode, just hover again over the maximize icon and select the full screen or restore option, and you're back to normal with just a click. Don't worry if it takes you a few tries to get used to the layout options. The more you use split screen, the quicker it'll become second nature. That's all there is to it. Easy, right? Now you know how to turn Chrome into a multitasking powerhouse using split screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Got questions or want to share how you use split screen? Drop a comment below. I love hearing your tips and tricks too. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.